Tenditalia is the leading European company in the development, production, and distribution of technical fabrics to provide solar shading intended for the Italian and international market. From 1977, every day we learn to improve the articles we have produced. We have established ourselves internationally as an important organization operating in the sector. When you say Tenditalia, you say quality. Our fabrics confirm the good name achieved by Made in Italy products worldwide. We are motivated by a philosophy that is inspired by research and innovation. Our long history of experience and specialization gained in the sector really makes us a qualified and attentive partner. Our fabrics for roller, vertical, or pleated awnings are designed according to the needs of the persons who will use them. The Research and Development Department team is the core of Tenditalia's innovation, where the chemistry of light embraces solar protection technology. We perform meticulous inspections on all of our products to guarantee the quality. We enjoy performing research work, with which we ensure protection for the end consumer and the environment.